Them a put batty on my name. Them say me suck pussy. Them say me suck hood. And me there, so I try to clear up my name. And then just flag my bumbuckler like for harassment. Eh?
So no that way you do never genuine enough. Prettidon went and ranked it and it wasn't genuine people. Put it out there. Because then all she do, she create the group. I was a part of the group, so I can tell you. Now call up another person, the per se, but just believe it. What I put to her, she going.
One girl there said her name Kim with 2 Jamaican flag in her name. She said she enjoy talking about other people but doesn't want anyone talking about her. Me I gotta talk about you. Don't be mad handsome. Big up yourself. You don't know, Bobby. Big up on yourself. No, I just have to say these things because there's screenshots circulating of me which she had diss me. But just want Prettidon know say, yo, me nah back down, no day, no time. As you go, me go. And you just have to go in a life. Just keep going. Don't stop. Every day, you don't stop. Because me nah go stop. You have an enemy for life. I never done nothing to you, Prettidon. Me never said nothing about Prettidon. All me do, me interview World Dog. If any ex-gang people in here, big up on the blood class self, ex-gang. Big up Bomber Clat ex-gang. World Dog are the first Jamaican influencer who give me 2 bad interview back to back. World Dog are the first Bomber Clat youth who give me blood clot interview back to back. One big up Bomber Clat ex-gang. Big up fucking ex-gang. Anybody who in there represent for Bomber Clat ex-gang, big up on a Bomber Clat self. You hear that? Because when time I drop the blood clot video them on YouTube, I'll be a red X my blood clot scene in the blood clot comment section. Big up anybody who represent for Bomber Clat World Dog. Prettidon go suck your mother. Bitch. I want to you. You come incriminate blood clot Rose and incriminate Rose brother. I talk about Rose brother will bust my head. Bitch, I'm calling the cops. I'm calling the police. Me a bad man. I'm a citizen. Big up, I watch it, BX. Big up blood clot X. Big up X. Yeah, come threaten man and I come blood clot tell people fuck it. Big up anybody who represent for Bomber Clat World Dog. Prettidon go suck your mother. Bitch. I want to you. You come incriminate blood clot Rose and incriminate Rose brother. I talk about Rose brother will bust my head. Bitch, I'm calling the cops. I'm calling the police. Me a bad man. I'm a citizen. Big up, I watch it, BX. Big up blood clot X. Big up X. Yeah, come threaten man and I come blood clot tell people fuck it. Bitch, I'm gonna call the police on you, bitch. You're lucky to see a blood clot legal in America. Come with a call Randy Santos for your blood clot, deport you. When they go low, I go lower. Fully Bomber Clat X. Big up X gang. I want to them pussy a Prettidon. Suck your mother.
4 Camille, big up yourself, Camille.
2 Bomber Clat interview World Dog give me. 2. When time them other little blood clot Jamaican pussy wall ya, I go on like them better than man. World Dog stays up. 2 interview. 1 year after the other. Man say Negus forward in. I make sure I buy a blood clot 24 pack of Heineken. Me and him sit down there and beat up that. I'm tuning. Hey girl, know you Bomber Clat. They hear that sodomite girl. You see? She a complain, said me disrespect Rose, about her size, said me a body shame. What did Prettidon do to Prettidon a while ago and did to Prettidon crew? She shamed their size, calling them sour power. Don't you see the hypocrisy? The hypocrisy in that? Me a ask you right now, a 1.6k away right now. Me a ask you now. Me a ask all the woman them and me a ask all the man. Don't you see the hypocrisy in that? She also body shame Dovey. It's only cool when she do it. Yup. Thank you. Yup. Yes. Yes. Facts. Of course we see it. Negus, you have woman strength. Me not have woman strength. Because you don't say I have man strength when I disrespect the blood clot government. Uno say me have man strength when I disrespect Andrew Holness. Uno say me have man strength, woman strength when I disrespect the blood clot JDF in a Jamaica. Uno say me have man strength when I disrespect the blood clot scammer them in a Jamaica. We are fuck up a country. But as soon as man try correct one of them sodomite gal, we not come talk about man not like woman. Me not like disrespectful woman. Me like woman respectful and know so your man blood clot relevant just as much as our woman relevant. Me like respectable woman. Me talk about everything we can get me killed. Me talk about the dirty stinking government, Andrew Holness and them big nose. Me talk about the JLP. Me talk about the PNP. Me talk about the scammer them. Me talk about the blood clot, dirty corrupt politician police them. And you are tell me say me have woman strength. Go suck your mother. I want to you. Go suck your mother about woman have woman strength. Go the fuck me up. What me have to gain over here so a trouble woman? What do I have to gain? What do I have to gain over here, sir, a troubled woman? Who tell me right now? Who tell me right now? Thank you. See, them flag my life. Them flag my life for harassment. Them just flag my life for harassment, people. See that? Them just flag my life for harassment. We just get the blood clotting while ago. Say, you know what? Me done a fight, me done. Them just flag my life while ago. Say me a harass them. Them set me a harass them. You can believe that, people? You can believe that? After them a disrespect me, them a put batty on my name. Them say me suck pussy. Them say me suck hood. And me there, so I try to clear up my name. And then just flag my bumbuck like life for harassment. Eh?